Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay, and behind me isn't Motech, it's Maxton Designs. Right, so as you can see behind me, we have brought our M135i up to Maxton Designs. We've been working with Maxton for a number of years now, across the M140 range, a lot of the Motech edition cars we did. We're a very good customer of theirs, and I'm sure you've seen lots of their products on the YouTube channel. They've reached out and said, hey, we're going to Gravity, we have our new carbon fibre body kit for the F40 M135i. Can we do some kind of collaboration, get the car on a stand, bring the car up for some content, get it fitted? So let's go and take a look inside and see what the carbon's all about. So one of the reasons also we're here at Maxton at the minute is obviously they're fitting the new carbon fibre body kit to the F40 M135i, getting ready for the Gravity show, which is actually next weekend. We'll be on their stand with them there. Also, this is their new demo car, and of course it'll also be on the stand. This runs their nearly almost finished kit. It's still got no spoiler onto it yet, but of course when it's at Gravity, we'll get some B-roll footage of that in next week's vlog. But we had to just grab the opportunity to grab the car quickly. And as you can see, it has the perfect start, it sits well, 20-inch Vossen wheels, an exhaust to give a bit more sort of sound, and of course their gloss black kit just looks amazing on this car. Yet again, they will be bringing a carbon kit out, but to start off, the gloss black looks perfect on this. So you can see the front, the sides, the rear diffuser, the top winglets across each side of the roof looks really good, quite BMW. If you look back to some of the older CSL cars, that certainly had that from the 70s down the bonnet and of course on the roofs. And of course there'll be a spoiler to go along with that very soon as well. So a bit of B-roll on this one, and then let's get back inside and see how the F40 is looking. So as you can see, complete, done transformation of the car. It's nice to be able to see something different on this vehicle. We've obviously always ran a gloss black kit on it, even when the car was white, a previous car that we had with Maxton, so it's nice to have a long working relationship with them. And of course, when they released the carbon kit, we had to go for it. The car, like I sort of said, is going to be a show at Gravity. We are going to do a wheel change, that's in a vlog coming soon as well. But as you can see, real nice transformation, and it's nice for a manufacturer not just to do front side skirts and a spoiler and diffuser. They've done a bit more: engine covers, strut brace, seat backs, air ducts, kidney grills. So it's a real nice transformation. Really looking forward to get it back, getting the new wheels fitted to it, get it through the detailing bay, and actually getting it looking better than new. So we're excited to get that done. Let us know what you think of the car with the carbon kit on, and also let us know what you think of their stunning G87 M2 with the black kit on it.